How to download Airbnb app on your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download Airbnb app on your phone. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in the search section, simply tap on the search bar and type Airbnb on the search bar and search for it. Now here you can see on the result labeled Airbnb, so simply tap on that, and here you can see the option label install, so tap on it, and after tapping on it the installation process will begin. Now wait for the app to finish downloading and installing, and once it's installed you can simply tap on open to launch the Airbnb app. And that's it. That's how you can install Airbnb app on your phone. Now with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.